I'm Dr. Mike Carlson, co-chair along with Dr. Sean Mulvaney of the American Academy of Orthopedic Medicine's 2020 conference, appropriately named Cutting Edge Solutions for the Cutting Edge Physician, this April 2nd through the 4th in Washington, D.C. And I would like to personally invite you to come and participate in this one-of-a-kind conference and workshop that deals with the most up-to-date regenerative orthopedic medicine topics and techniques. We will cover revolutionary breakthroughs that are transforming regenerative orthopedic medicine with the most highly respected national and international speakers, such as Dr. Arnold Kaplan, considered the father of mesenchymal stem cells, Drs. Kim Mottner, Gerald Malanga, Sean Mulvaney, Brian Chaipel. You will also hear from one of the premier MSK ultrasound experts of our time, Dr. Tom Clark, along with insights from Drs. Paul Tortland, Don Buford, Kevin Pazza, and Jay Bowen. Dr. Ann Truong will provide updates in sexual regenerative health, along with so many more experts, offering a dynamic look into the next era of cutting-edge therapies. You will take away practical knowledge from this conference that you can take home and implement right away in your practice, with research updates in PRP, stem cell therapy, and the latest techniques. Our workshops offer something for everyone, from the beginner to the advanced. The AAOM has been a leader in regenerative medicine since 1983 and is instrumental in training physicians in the techniques of regenerative medicine with international missions, regional workshops, and our annual conference that helps physicians know the when and the whys of how to use this revolutionary science. Our conference will take place in Washington, D.C., our nation's capital, where you can enjoy the historic landmarks, local, national, and international cultures of the city. Please mark your calendar and be part of the AAOM 2020 annual conference and help lead the way in regenerative medicine and its promise for our patients. I promise you, you will not be disappointed.